Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korea. In today's video, I'll try to do the annual benchmark comparison between the Realme Narzo 30 Pro versus the Mi 10i device versus Redmi Note 10 Pro. So a lot of users did ask me which phone is better in terms of the processor and the performance, and particularly for the gaming. So this will be the best case scenario, friends. We'll get to know which phone has a better results, and the reason why is because all these three smartphones, they're having the 120 Hz refresh rate. So a high refresh rate is common for the most of the gamers, but you need to choose the correct processor and the best processor for the price you are getting. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the better annual benchmark score and which has more and which is kind of less. So let's see all those details. And in case if you're interested in this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and also to check the links in description for more playlist of the videos of plenty of other smartphones which are reviewed in my channel. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more interesting videos. So let's begin the test of the annual benchmark application. So I'm doing the test once again in all the three smartphones. As you can see, friends, right now I'm trying to do, and during this time of testing I did use the 120 Hz refresh rate in all the three smartphones to make the test even, and even the brightness is about same kind of brightness, full brightness I did use. So in all the three smartphones, so let me try to even increase this Realme Narzo brightness. So all the phones are having the higher brightness level during this time of testing, as you can clearly see here, friends. So the test is continuing right now, and let's see which phone will be scoring the better annual benchmark test results, and we'll get to know right now. And in case if you want to know more details, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. And a lot of users, they do have the confusion like which phone to choose, either the Poco X3 or the Redmi Note 10 Pro, because the pricing is quite only 2000 rupees difference, and they want to expend extra 2000 to get the Redmi Note 10 Pro or the Poco X3. So that video I'll be doing very soon, friends. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So because the Poco X3 you can get about 13,500 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro you can get about 15,500. So overall there's a difference of 2000. So for 2000, what you're getting and what you're losing, so you need to know all these things. So I'll try to make another video particularly on that particular topic. So right now the annual benchmark test has been continuing in all the three smartphones. So again I'll be back, friends, once the test has been successfully completed and we can discuss about the scores. As you can see, friends, after the annual benchmark test has been successfully completed, and here are the final score results. So you can see clearly the Snapdragon 732G scored the lowest out of all the other different phones. So it scored about 2,73,000, so which is really a low score when you compare with other smartphones. So if you ask me what is the benchmark for the 15,000 rupees right now in the market, I would say 3 lakhs. So always try to prefer the 3 lakhs as annual benchmark test results. It's not compulsory, but if you have that kind of very good performance oriented processor, you can easily use for the next 2 years the mobile phone. So that's what my point of view is when I'm trying to buy a mobile phone. So in that case, the Redmi Note 10 Pro, maybe it can be easily survive for the next 1.5 year or 2 years. But if you have this kind of process like the Snapdragon 750G or the Dimensity 800U, which will give so many benefits for you in terms of using long-term usability. So right now, friends, Snapdragon 750G scored about 3,39,000, and it is a Realme Narzo 30 Pro device which scored about 3,28,000. As you can clearly see, friends, 3,28,160. So these are the quick annual benchmark test results comparison. You can see clearly the Mi 10i is a winner, and Mi 10i and the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, they're kind of close to each other. So every time one or the other phone will be coming on top. So these two phones are good, but this Redmi Note 10 Pro is very much far away from these both phones. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. For more this kind of interesting comparison with other smartphones, make sure to subscribe and do comment below, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.